and has a few things to say about this.
Thank you. Thank you everybody for being here. Gracias a todos por estar aquí. Gracias por estar unidos. Gracias por entender la parte internacional, sin naciones, sin lenguajes, que este caso nos trae, nos tiene a todos juntos. Thank you everybody for being here. My name is Sergio Avila. I work with Sky Island Alliance, a non-profit conservation organization based in Tucson, working in southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico, recognizing that this is a biological region, it's not divided by any boundaries or languages. Thank you again for being here. I'm here to tell you three things. Look at the big picture. Kidney failure, blood tests, or anything else are above or under any other interest when it's talking about an endangered species and the only jaguar living in the United States. Ask questions. Get answers for your questions. The use of non-invasive research techniques is useful and enough to know about these jaguars. That ocelot over there was taken with a non-invasive remote camera 1 year ago, only 25 miles south of the border. Those cats can come into Arizona and we can learn from them with no invasive techniques. That track is a jaguar track taken in Arizona a few years ago, and that's information of the presence of jaguars in the area. We don't need to trap those jaguars to know they are around. Ask questions. See the big picture.
Right.